Hello children, how are you all? You all are aware of today's situation from which we all are going through. It is because of one microbe, that is coronavirus. And the disease caused by this virus is COVID-19. We all are asked to maintain social distancing, to wear mask while going outside the house, to wash our hands frequently. Why we all have to take so many precautions? Because this disease is highly contagious. And according to some reports, one infected person can easily infect 2-3 other persons, and the chain of transmission continues. So here we have discussed about one disease that is caused by microbes. There are other diseases which are also caused by microbes. So today's topic is harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the microorganisms cause diseases in human beings, plants and animals. Such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms spoil food, clothing and leather. Let us study more about their harmful activities. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink or the food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Microbial disease that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable diseases. For example, cholera, common cold, chickenpox and tuberculosis. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, finite droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter in the body of a healthy person while breathing. Then, how do we prevent the spread of communicable disease? We should always keep a handkerchief on the nose and mouth while sneezing. It is better to keep a distance from infected person like we are doing right now. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease-causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whosoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. So, it is advisable to always keep food covered, avoid consuming uncovered items of food. Another example of a carrier is the female Anopheles mosquito, which carries the parasite of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito acts as carrier of dengue virus. How can we control the spread of malaria or dengue? All mosquitoes breed in water. Hence, one should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pot, etc. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquito from breeding. Look at the picture. Some common mosquito breeding places are shown over here. We should not let water collect in these places. Several microorganisms not only cause diseases in humans and plants but also in other animals. For example, anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by a bacterium. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by a virus. Robert Koch discovered the bacterium which causes anthrax disease. Children, I hope you must have understood very well about communicable diseases. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Science Star. Shine like a star, be a science star.